Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover US dollar versus Swiss franc, and I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the US dollar versus Swiss franc first. So what we got here, let's start from a daily time frame, is that we had a very strong push higher last week and we had a shallow pullback. The last 2 days we had actually down readings, and the Friday was inside day, very narrow day. And today market failed to actually attack the lows on Friday, and the buyers stepped in. So I think that there is a chance for the higher price eventually to test the Friday's high at 0.9300 area. Maybe if they have even a bigger power today, there is a chance for retest of this 0.9335. So upside potential on this currency pair. Speaking of the gold market, so what we can see here is that the daily chart, so we had the Friday, we have a strong impulsive move to the upside after the inside day and a strong momentum. So gold had a strong upside momentum, and that momentum, we can see there is a continuation of that momentum, but don't forget we have a very big cluster. You can see that also on the monthly time frame. So the key cluster of highs is set at 2065, around 2070 mark, 2070 area. We have the key highs from beginning of 2022 and 2020. So that's the key area to pay attention on the gold. Intraday, still momentum is really strong. You can see just some natural pullbacks. This morning there was a pullback and new highs for the day. So very strong momentum to the upside. So, and the next area, as I said, it's around 2070 mark. Speaking of the crude oil market, we got multi-month breakout. There was like a very tight 2 months in a row, and there is a downside breakout. But pay attention on the crude oil. We reached some important pivot levels. You can see here at 65 area, where the market is trading now, an area around 62.85 or 62.30. So this area is we have lots of reactions back in 2021 November, and so strong supply. Again, momentum is on the side of the to the downside, but key support on the test. Also, you can see the daily, there is a strong momentum. So for now, the sellers are in control, and I don't see any bigger signs of the recovery at this stage so far. Again, support is the test, so pay attention on this zone here. And let's see how the market will react around this level. And Bitcoin, we have strong buying kicked in here of around 20,000 mark, and buyers are still in control. Friday closed near the high, and today so far we are reclaiming the high around 28,480. Interesting thing to say here is that we have very important area around 35,000. We also have 30,000 and then 35,000. We got some major levels and lows around that stage. So pay attention to this level. Buyers in control and probably trying and attempting to make a new high for the day. That will be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.